Good day and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making stuffed shells with ricotta cheese, Italian seasoning, roasted red peppers, spinach, mozzarella cheese, and whatever pasta sauce you like. I have a video on my channel with pasta sauce. You could use that or any store brand that you prefer. I have my water boiling here. We will add our jumbo shells to the boiling water, and we're gonna cook these shells to the directions that are on the box, which this box calls for 5 minutes. And then we will drain them, and then we will mix our ingredients. So right now we'll add our jumbo shells to the boiling water that has already been salted and cook them to the directions on the box. These are our jumbo shells. And this particular brand calls for boiling them for 5 minutes. Set our timer for 5 minutes. When that goes off, we'll drain them and prepare the filling. Be back in 5 minutes. Okay, our shells have been boiling for 4 minutes now. They're coming along nicely. Once they reach the 5-minute mark, we'll take and drain them and prepare our filling. Okay, our jumbo shells are done cooking. I have them on a cooling rack. While they're cooling, we'll prepare the filling. Okay, now we'll start to prepare our filling. Here we have a 15-ounce container of ricotta cheese. Quarter cup of red roasted peppers. Here we have our chopped spinach, which we drained all the moisture out of it. You need to drain it well because spinach contains a lot of water. So after your spinach thaws, you want to put it in a strainer and press out all the liquid that you possibly can on your spinach. And we'll add that. Now we're gonna add 1 egg, lightly beaten. Take and stir it in a little bit. And we'll put in half of our 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese. Will go next. shredded mozzarella cheese, 8 ounces. We'll put half into our filling. That's about half. I will add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Mix well. Now with clean hands, the only way to do it, your chopped spinach that you well drained, pressed in a strainer. We'll add this a little at a time. This is 10 ounces of chopped spinach, frozen and thawed. Pull it apart, mix well. If you try putting it all in at once, you're going to end up with just one big glob. It won't be evenly distributed in your filling. So once again, with nice clean hands, I just keep mixing this so we incorporate the remainder of the spinach, and then we'll be back when it's time to start filling jumbo shells. Okay, all our shells have been stuffed. Now we will top them off with the rest of the shredded mozzarella cheese and a little drizzle of tomato sauce on top. Now, any shells you have left over from your box of large shells, you can serve with your remaining pasta sauce and for another dish at another time. And there's our stuffed shells. All that's left to do now is to cover it with aluminum foil and put it in a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 minutes, uncovering after 20. Be back then. Looks good. Now all we need to do is put it back in the oven 10 more minutes. This is a close-up of the dish, our stuffed shells. Okay, it's been baking for a total of 35 minutes. It's time to remove it from the oven. Our stuffed shells are done. They've been baking for a total of 35 minutes, 25 minutes covered, 10 minutes uncovered in a 350-degree oven. There you have it. Here's our finished dish, baked stuffed shells with ricotta cheese and spinach and mozzarella. We'll take and plate some up. And see how it looks plated. And there you have it. Baked stuffed shells. Just plate it up a few on a dish. Now this could be served with a nice green salad, nice crusty Italian bread, garlic bread, whatever you prefer. Baked stuffed shells. And there's our dish for today. Baked stuffed shells with ricotta cheese, spinach, and shredded mozzarella. Now if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I put up new content on my channel. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy your dinner. See you in the next video.